Hello, beautiful soul. My name is NildaLuzKelly, and today I'm going to walk you through a very personal journey, but also powerful. It's a journey about learning how to take back control of your thoughts, and while doing so, expanding your time. Because yes, it is possible. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a mentor, and just like you, I'm a person who have had to find ways to balance every role in my life while still finding time for myself, for peace, and for growth. I used to think that controlling your thoughts was impossible. As a natural worrier, my mind raced constantly. Journaling became my escape. And while journaling helped, it didn't quite rewire anything. That started to shift in my late 20s when I was gifted a book by Joyce Meyer, Eat the Cookie, Buy the Shoes. It gave me a glimpse of what was possible, that I could grow, heal, and still fully show up as a mother, a partner, and a woman with dreams. But the real transformation began when I discovered the mind-body-soul connection. Breathing, meditation, yoga, and stillness. It wasn't easy at first, and it was not perfect. But by 2020, I committed more deeply, and January of this year, I've been completely in. These are the practices that have helped me: journaling intentionally, listening to audios and reading, stillness, moving my body, and saying positive affirmations. And by doing all that inner work, something magical has happened. I've gotten my time back. Yep, more energy, more clarity, more focus. Because when we stop wasting time overthinking and numbing with distractions, time doesn't feel like it's slipping away anymore. Now, let's get into it. 3 time management tips. Now, I want to share 3 simple but powerful things that have helped me in my life and used my time more intentionally. Sleep and structure. Ever since I was a little kid, learned that if I don't sleep well, I do not function well. So sleep and structure for me went hand in hand and came naturally. But when I started creating a routine around rest and began planning my days in a way that respected my energy, I was able to make better decisions. Sleep gives you clarity, structure gives you stability. Shift 2, planning with ChatGPT. My ChatGPT assistant's name is Nilda, and she helps me with everything. She helps me create daily checklists and also helps me create a plan or agenda to match my goals. I do this on a daily with my assistant. Nova is amazing. Now, if you're watching this, I would say grab a different device or even on your phone. Get on ChatGPT, enter this prompt here. Create a morning routine to help me sleep better and be more productive. Watch how amazed you will be. You tell me. Shift number 3, prioritize smart. Now, what does this mean? So in other words, you don't need to do more. You need to do what matters. A really long time ago, when I came out of high school, I went right into corporate and I worked a majority of my career in the corporate world. And one thing that I did learn working in corporate was urgent and important. Like, there's charts about it and everything. What may be urgent may not be important. Working in a hospital has taught me that as well, right? Like, there's emergencies at all times, but what is urgent and what is important? And that may be different for everyone. And I think what we really need to pinpoint as we get better with transitioning our thoughts and rewiring our minds is understanding what the core goal is, and then maybe applying ourselves the way we should, whether we want to or we don't want to do that. And again, it comes down to urgency and important, right? So we don't need to do more. We need to do what matters. When I started prioritizing what aligned with my growth, everything changed. Using AI isn't cheating, it's support. And for a very long time, I had to comprehend that, especially someone that loves writing. I enjoy writing. It's something that I've been passionate about forever. ChatGPT was hard. It was hard to swallow because I did feel like it was cheating. I felt like it was easy. I felt like you just entered whatever you wanted and poof, it was there for you, which is very much the case. I don't use it in that manner. I really do use it in a assistant form. I like having my own thoughts and my own words, and I like expressing them through paper and through literature. So I will continue doing that, but ChatGPT is definitely a game changer, and I want to help you learn how to use it properly. We're allowed to use tools that give us back our time, peace, and clarity. And ChatGPT definitely does that for us. So here's how I could help you. Download my free time management prompt kit Link is going to be in the description of this video, and you will find it on Gumroad. Book a one-on-one session if you're ready for a deeper shift. We'll go over your personal goals and we'll make up a plan on how we could accomplish those goals. And try just one prompt tonight on ChatGPT and see the difference tomorrow. Thank you for being here. Thank you for investing your peace. And remember that rewiring your mind doesn't happen overnight, but every small shift you make is a small step to a powerful liberation. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss next Sunday's workshop. See you soon, beautiful souls. I injured my finger. Paper cut.